If you're having trouble receiving login codes from Snapchat, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. A stable connection is necessary to receive login codes. Step 2. Verify your phone number. Go to your Snapchat settings and confirm that the phone number linked to your account is correct. If it isn't correct, update it and request a new login code. Step 3. Resend the login code. After verifying your phone number, attempt to log in again and select the option to resend the login code. Wait a few moments for the code to arrive via SMS. Step 4. Check for SMS blockers. Make sure that your device is not blocking SMS messages from unknown numbers. Check your messaging settings and ensure that Snapchat is not on a block list. Step 5. Contact Snapchat support. If you still do not receive the code, visit the Snapchat support page for assistance. They can help troubleshoot the issue further and provide additional solutions. By following these steps, you should be able to receive your login codes from Snapchat without any issues. If problems persist, reaching out to support is your best option.